Hi Mason, where are you going today? Hi Olivier, I am going to a hotel. Are you traveling for work? No, I am on vacation. That sounds exciting. Yes, I have been waiting for this trip. Which hotel did you book? I booked the Sunrise Hotel. I have heard good things about it. The reviews were excellent. How many nights will you stay? I will stay for 3 nights. Did you book your room online? Yes, I booked it last week. That is very convenient. It also saved me some money. Have you arrived at the hotel? Yes, I am standing at the reception. What are you doing now? I am checking in. Did they ask for your ID? Yes, I showed my passport. Was the process easy? Yes, it only took a few minutes. That is great. The staff are very friendly. Did they give you your room key? Yes, they gave me a key card. What is your room number? My room is 305. Is your room on the third floor? Yes, it is. Did you use the elevator? Yes, it was very fast. How does your room look? It looks clean and modern. Is the bed comfortable? Yes, it feels very comfortable. Is there a nice view? Yes, I can see the city. That must be beautiful. It is amazing. Does the room have free Wi-Fi? Yes, the internet is very fast. That is useful. I can work and relax. Is breakfast included? Yes, breakfast is free. What time is breakfast served? From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. That is a good time. I will have breakfast early. Does the hotel have a swimming pool? Yes, it has a large pool. Will you go swimming? Yes, this afternoon. Does the hotel also have a gym? Yes, it is open all day. That is wonderful. I am very happy with this hotel. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you very much. Have a relaxing vacation. I certainly will. Talk to you later. Enjoy your trip. Have you explored the hotel yet? Yes, I walked around this morning. What did you like the most? I really liked the hotel garden. Was it peaceful? Yes, it was quiet and relaxing. Did you meet any other guests? Yes, everyone was very friendly. Did you visit the restaurant? Yes, I had lunch there. How was the food? It was fresh and delicious. What did you order? I ordered grilled fish and rice. That sounds tasty. It was one of the best meals I have had. Did you try any dessert? Yes, I had chocolate cake. Did you enjoy it? Yes, it was excellent. What are your plans for tomorrow? I want to visit the city museum. That will be interesting. I also want to take some photos. Don't forget to visit the local market. That is a great idea. You can buy some souvenirs there. I would love to do that. Have you unpacked your luggage? Yes, everything is in its place now. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, I feel completely relaxed. Did the hotel provide good service? Yes, the service has been outstanding. That is nice to hear. The staff always greet me with a smile. Good services makes a big difference. I completely agree. Will you recommend this hotel to others? Yes, I definitely will. I may stay there one day. I think you will enjoy it. Have you taken any pictures of your room? Yes, I have taken several photos. Please send them to me later. Sure, I will send them tonight. Thank you. You are welcome. I hope the weather stays nice. The weather is perfect today. That will make your trip even better. Yes, I can enjoy every moment. When will you return home? I will return on Sunday evening. I hope you have a safe journey. Thank you for your kind wishes. Enjoy the rest of your vacation. I certainly will take lots of beautiful pictures. I promise I will. Have a wonderful stay at the hotel. Thank you, Olivia. See you when you get back. See you soon, my friend. Goodbye.